Hello, and it's time for another unboxing. Yeah, I got these new boots, and they are also thigh high, and they're not crotch high, mind you. These are thigh high, over knee. And I just got them today, and I've already tried them on, and they sit perfectly. They're more comfortable than the other ones, the patent leather crotch high. These are more comfortable because the other ones were stiletto heels, and while they look good, you can't really walk with them that much. You can't dance with them, you can't do much in them really, other than looking great. But these babies, you can do everything. You can stand on them, you can walk, you can dance, you can strut the streets and everything, because you'll see. So I start by opening the lid up. This is the sound of unboxing. They come in separate, I think, pouches of some sort. So I'm just going to fold these up and lift the shoe right up. Here we go. These are fake leather, of course. And these have a chunky heel, which I quite like. I never thought I would like these kind of heels really before, but when I saw these, I don't know, something about them screams sexy, stylish. Let's see how much we can zoom out. As you can see, they're not, well, yeah, they are over knee. They're a bit, yeah, but they're not crotch high. So, having said that, I don't mind, because I do have 3 pairs of crotch highs, so I don't need more. These boots smell really weird. They smell like gasoline or some chemical stuff. I think it's the color or the leather, fake leather, whatever, but they smell. And I took size 7 because the other ones I bought, the black patent leather crotch high, were size 8, and they are a bit too big. So in these I thought I was gonna size down, and they fit good. Slightly snug, but it's good. It's good for me. I don't, especially when you wear heels, you don't want them to be too big, because you can't walk sexy in them. Yeah, so this is what they look like, and I am loving them. These are the kind of shoes I can wear, you know, to go out shopping, to go out and wait for the bus, to meet my friends, to go out dancing. Yeah, whereas the other ones, they're really, you know, taking pictures, looking sexy and everything, but you can't really wear them casually, you know. So now let's look at the other one. And of course, it's the same shoe, only the other foot. There you go. I like the sole. I really like that pattern. And the chunky heel. So yeah, this was my unboxing for my new thigh-high fake leather boots. Ciao!